What's up, everyone? This is Mike from Spirit of 1876. We're back here with our friend Jacob from Roof Space. Jacob, what's up, man?
Hey, man.
Good to see you, dude. So Jacob was here a couple months ago when we launched the RS2 here in the US. And since then, I think it's safe to say this is the fastest rooftop tent in America? In the world?
Yeah, basically, we label itself as like the fastest rooftop tent brand in the world because we are not just in Germany and France or all over Europe basically, but we're also in Australia or Namibia, Oman, and for sure we're also in the US. So yes, that's why we are here right now. But
yep, the launch of this a couple months ago has gone extremely successfully. But we're here to talk about a new tent, family version. So if you've seen this and you liked it and it checks a lot of boxes for you, but you've got a couple kids or you just like a lot of space, you've got an answer?
Yeah, I mean, I used to say the Roof Space 2 is what made us like famous or successful on the market, but we had so many customers who were like, oh, when are you launching the bigger version, like the version for families? And we're like, okay, yeah, now we already launched it in Germany like 2 weeks ago, but it's coming to the US. So it's the biggest hardshell rooftop tent on the market. How does it sound to you?
Sounds awesome. So 4 people.
4 people, yeah.
Maybe 5.
I mean, it depends on how big the people are.
Big, heavy people.
For sure, but we can show you a picture like 4 adults inside of the tent, the Roof Space 4, which is of course, I think, something new.
So here, because we've got a representation of what that size looks like, I have an example in a soft shell version. Like Jacob said, this will be the largest hard shell tent on the market, but its footprint will be 87 by 96, basically, which is the exact same footprint as this soft shell. This is a 87-inch long by 96 wide when open. So imagine the roof space in a hard shell format with this size footprint. So if you come in here and look, you can see there's room for your wife, her boyfriend, his dog. It's huge, it's massive. Still 9.5 inches tall.
That's right, yeah. Everything basically stays the same. So we will have the panorama mode on the RS4 again. We will have the steel wire, so the self-supporting structure. We will have the opening and closing, ease of use. Everything will stay the same. So
awesome, and under 200 pounds.
It will be under 200 pounds, which is important, right?
And 1 ladder?
And just 1 ladder. And as we know it from Roof Space, you don't need the ladder to open or to close the tent.
Yeah.
So it's just there to get up and to get down.
That's awesome. We're gonna cut to some videos of this thing in action. Like he said, he launched it in Germany a couple weeks ago. We're gonna be getting hands-on this year.
Yeah, in 2 months actually. In 2 months you will have the first like demo sets.
But that's
here.
just me because I'm special. The consumer will be able to get it in January of 2025.
Yeah, that's right. So in the beginning of 2025, you will have the first containers land here in the US as well.
Awesome. So you heard it here first. The LS2 has kind of blown our socks off here, and the LS4 will be the yacht of rooftop tents here in America. I'm pretty excited to see it. Dude, thanks for coming down to see us, chatting with us.
Man. Thanks for having me.
Always a pleasure.
Wonderful.
See you soon.
See you.